Hi everybody, welcome back. And if not welcome back, if this is your first time tuning in, I really appreciate it. I am Miss Lola, also known as the Magic Wig Maker. I have been a hair replacement specialist for almost 40 years. I am an expert at making wigs and hair units that address anywhere from mild to severe hair loss beautifully. Today, I am doing another amazing transformation, and she has also experienced hair loss for years, and she'll tell you why.
Medication. Then I had braids at one time, and I think that the dyeing the braids kind of messed up my top of my hair, but mostly medication.
I want her to look the very best that she can look, and she's going to be gorgeous with this hair unit I've made for her. And it was really quick and easy to make. And I have not applied the clips yet. Of course, you know when you come to Miss Lola's wig salon, the hair unit is 95% made, and then once my client, or in this case my model, gets here, then I will add the clips necessary like she needs them. This unit is really lightweight because Tammy's hair is fine, and I don't want to give her this huge, weighty hair unit when people are used to seeing her with the finer hair, and she's more comfortable with the finer hair. So this density is only about 70%, and that's going to do her just fine. Oh, just already with me just putting it on, it's made all the difference in the world. I've added the clips where Tammy needs them. The clips are very easy to operate just by bending backwards. It opens the clip, scoop her hair in it, and then close it. That's it. And it's secure. And you always want to make sure that you put the clip in your healthy hair, not where you're thin or where your hair is weak. You go down, and then that's where I'm going to place the clips for you. You go down into your healthy hair and just scoop that hair in there, leave it right where it is, and close it.
Okay.
No pulling, no tensions, not necessary. Same thing right there. So easy, huh, Tam?
Yes, it is.
Just open that clip, just like that, and scoop that clip down, get your hair under it, and then close. Scoop the clip down into the hair, get it close to the scalp, not pulling, and let that clip stay right where it is in the hair, and close it. Feels good, huh, Tam?
It does.
Very lightweight. Okay. Doesn't she look absolutely gorgeous? Oh my goodness. Now, for the crowning glory and the moment you've all been waiting for, let's take a look at this beautiful unit. And just a little magic stick. Conceal that gray hair down at the nape. That is so beautiful, Tammy. Oh my goodness, what do you think?
I love it.
I love it too. You look fantastic, doesn't she, everybody? She looks so beautiful. What a change. Just this little hair unit that I made just for her. I can do the very same for you if you have hair loss. Now, you know me, but I don't know you, so you have to call me and let me know how I can make you feel great about yourself by making you a custom hair unit. Thanks so much, everybody, for joining me for this very, very beautiful transformation of this hair unit on my model. Join me again for another transformation makeover. Before you leave, please subscribe, like, share, and most of all, hit that notification bell so you'll always know when I'm working my magic. Thank you so much for joining me, Tammy.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
I'll see you next time.